wabarakatuh. I am Hidayah Nur as the representative for Konferensi Nasional Pendidikan 1 via Zoom on Tuesday 21st of July 2020 by FKIP Universitas Muhammadiyah Banjarmasin in collaboration with UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. So this is our title, Exploring the Impact of Online Course on English Teachers' Competencies in South Kalimantan. We are Hidayah Nur, Nani Hizriani, and Puji Sri Rahayu. And we are from English Education Department lecturers UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. For the first one, I want to explain about our background of study. There are 4 key terms in our background of study: online learning, massive open online course, technology for autonomous learning, and then teachers and lecturers. Okay, the first one, I want to explain about online learning. Actually, there are several advantages of online learning. The first is accessibility, comfort, self-paced learning, and lower cost. Therefore, with the massive and free online source, teachers should be able to access and apply it in their teaching. For massive open online course, the term massive refers to an educational institution offering courses enrolling a lot of students. Open means these courses are free for anybody in the world to access. Online indicates this is form of e-learning and learners needs to study via the internet. There are many forms of technology for autonomous learning offered by Rilo Jakarta. For example, teaching grammar effectively by AI Teacher, American Embassy, and many other courses. Therefore, joining free online course based on our free observation is also gaining popularity among the teachers and lecturers. So, this study investigate whether joining online courses will help teachers and lecturers in improving their competencies. Okay, this is our research questions. There are 3 research questions. The first one is, to what extent the MOOC program gives impact on English teachers' competencies in teaching classes? The second one is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of joining MOOC program based on English teachers' perception? And the third one is, what are the problems faced by the English teachers in joining MOOC program? And for the objective of study, there are 3 objectives of study. The first is to explore how the program gives impact on English teachers' competencies in teaching classes. The second one is to describe the advantages and the disadvantages of joining MOOC program based on English teachers' perception. And the third one is to investigate the problems faced by the English teachers in joining MOOC program. And our significance of study, there are 2 significance of study. The first is, this research is expected to provide information on how online learning as one of professional development tools can improve teachers' competencies. And the second one, this research will enrich the literature on teacher professional development through online course or massive open online course. And for our literature review, there are asynchronous learning, online course and MOOC, and also problems in joining MOOC program and teachers' competencies. Okay, next. This is very important in our theoretical review. The 7 Cs of learning design. The first one is conceptualize. Second one, capture. Next, communicate, collaborate, consider, combine, and consolidate. Okay, next is our research method. The research method, the research design, this is qualitative research. And then for this research has been undertaken in South Kalimantan. The participants were English teachers and junior and senior high school who have joined MOOCs. And also the techniques of data collection. This qualitative research focuses on the impact of online course on English teachers' competencies in South Kalimantan. And for the questionnaire is to get the general description of the participants, their expectation, the MOOCs they join, and perception toward MOOCs and how it affected their teachings. And then also, there's also interview to confirm the data gained from questionnaire and dig deeper information on the influence of online course on their competencies as teachers. The data analysis for this study, through 4 essential steps: raw data management, data reduction, data interpretation, and data representation. And the result of the interpretation we written down and discuss based on the provided theory related to the study. And this is our findings in discussion for the impact of MOOC program on English teachers' competencies in teaching classes. For example, this one. This is based on the questionnaire. You can see for the question, how much do you feel English course help you to improve your professional competence? And in what ways do online courses improve your professional competence? The respondents state that easy to master the learning materials for about 15 people, easy to master teaching method and implementation in the teaching and learning process. There are 20 people, easy to utilize the technology in the classroom. There are 21 people, and easy to manage the interaction between students and the teacher. There are 19 people, and next is the example of use Padlet to promote autonomous learning and to build collaboration among students. And this application will help them for finding the content. At the same time, they can learn some vocabularies in English related to the topic. He introduced this application at the 6th meeting as one of the learning sources as their individual project, and it will be used for the next lessons until the last meeting. And this is the result of our questionnaire. And next, how much do you feel online course help you to improve your personal competence? What are personal competences improved through online courses? For example, democratic, cooperative, consistent, open-minded, helpful, responsible, clever, and wise. And then this one, how much do you feel online course help you to improve your social competence? And this is the social competence improved through online courses. For example, tolerant, communicative, objective, inclusive, able to adapt, interactive. Okay, next is the advantages and disadvantages of joining MOOC program based on English teachers' perception. The advantages is, of course, for their professional development. And then this is based on the online courses, topics, and materials. Oh, this one. As one of the most modern factual strategy of teaching and very beneficial to integrate the technology and to develop the way of teaching in the era of 4.0. And then the online course also provided many materials in flexible time and opportunities to learn from the expert. And for online courses flexibility, of course, with an online course, the participants can manage time to learn and can access it wherever and whenever they are, because it doesn't need a room. And this one, of course, in joining a MOOC program, it can increase their confidence in their ability to design an effective online course. And this is based on the characteristics of course organization, assessment, and a significant impact on traditional course design and delivery. The next one is the problems faced by the English teachers in joining MOOC program. The first one, their problems is online courses, the participants team work independently. The tasks didn't force us to work collaboratively. The second one, there were several contents that confused them because there were no information of how to use them. And the last one is time management in doing the assignments for 5 modules. The last one is for conclusion. The English teachers got many beneficial things to improve their competencies in teaching classes. They got knowledge on how to use technology in the classroom, and many current applications can apply in the collaboration of teachers and students. There are also some advantages and disadvantages of joining MOOC programs, such as they got many materials for professional development, in improving their competencies in teaching and learning English, refresh or update their teaching strategies, get more new knowledge and practice, and build up their academic writing competence. And for the last one, the problems faced by the English teachers in joining mock program where they have to work independently because the assignments didn't have to work collaboratively, the confusion of the materials, and too many tasks they have to do in limited time. Okay, thank you very much. I think that's all for my presentation. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.